I'm a doctor.
And how much money do you make per year as a doctor?
As of now, I make like $60,000 a year.
Is that enough to live and work in San Francisco? Well, let's break down the numbers. He mentioned he makes $60,000 a year living and working as a doctor in San Francisco. As per Indeed.com, an average doctor makes over $249,000. So with a $60,000 annual income, he's paying around 22.8% in taxes. So his take-home pay is $46,347 every year or $3,862 every month. On average, it costs around $1,854 to rent a one bed and $2,274 to rent a two bed in California. Let's say he lives in two bed, sharing it with another roommate, paying around $1,137 per month. Let's also add $1,800 for utilities, groceries, transportation and insurance. On average, it costs around $54,698 each year or $218,792 in tuition to get a medical school degree in US. So let's say he financed 80% of his tuition by taking a student loan, which comes to $175,033 in student debt. So at a 4.99% interest rate for 20 years loan, the monthly payment on his student debt is $1,154.17. Let's also add $1,000 per month to discretionary spending. With that, his monthly expense comes to $5,091.71, which is $1,229 over than what he is earning each month, which shows he is either living on his credit card or living with his parents, which actually is not a bad idea. Drop a like and follow if you want more of these videos.